Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. We have recently released an update to version 12 of Office Tracker. Office Tracker version 12.1 has many great new features to make your scheduling more efficient. Today we're going to learn about the name color indicator settings that help identify events for various users. These new color settings make it easier for schedulers to see who has events scheduled in the weekly and monthly calendar views in particular. This new feature allows you to add a slice of color to indicate each user's events on the day, week, and planner views. It also gives you the option to use color-coded bullets and text to indicate each user's event or label color in the monthly view. The name color indicator feature will only be applied to events with one name associated with it. The first thing you will need to do is to choose a color for each of your users by setting it up in the server admin page. Let's go there now. Once you log into your server admin page, you will need to click on Names List and Show Names List. From there, you will need to click on each name that you want to assign a color for. Click on the person's name. Make sure to click the Use Color Indicator checkbox and click Set Color. From here, you can quickly select a color on the color slider, or if you want to fine-tune the color over here on the larger color palette, you can select a specific color that you would like to use. Once you have selected the color, say OK, update name, and close. You will need to do this for any of the names that you would like to have a color associated with. Next, we will look at the desktop client to see how the name color indicator feature appears on your schedule in the different calendar views. I'm going to open back up the desktop client. We are currently in the day view. As you will notice, the system automatically added a slice of color to the left of each event, indicating the name that is associated with that event. You'll notice these slice of colors on the left of each side. If you have the Names Shown palette open, it acts as a color legend. Let's open that now. In the desktop viewer, you want to go to the top and click on View, Show Names Shown Palette. You'll notice in the Names Shown palette that Dr. Blue has the color blue associated with him. You'll notice on the schedule under Dr. Blue that all of his events have a blue color slice to the left of the event. The same applies to the other names listed on my schedule. You'll notice Dr. Brown has this brown wedge on each of his events. If you notice down here, this meeting does not have a color slice associated with it. The reason for that is because that meeting includes Dr. Brown and Dr. Murphy in that meeting. As I said before, the color name indicator feature only applies to events that have one name associated with that event. Let's click on the week view to see how it appears there. You'll notice that it appears the same as in the day view. It adds the color slice to the left of each event. Once again, you can use the Names Shown palette as a color legend. The planner view is also very similar to that. It also adds the color slice to the left of each event. The month view works a little bit differently. Let's click on that. You'll notice in the month view you have the option of these color bullets. You can also add label color or name color to the text. Let's play with that right now. Click on View, View Options, and make sure you're clicked onto the Month tab. Up here at the top you'll see View Settings. Event text, you can choose to not have any color for the text on the monthly schedule. You can choose to have it set by the label color or the name color. And then for the bullets, you have the option of not having bullets at all, having them as the label color or as the name color. I currently have the bullets set up as the name color. We can add the label color to the text just to see how that appears. And say Apply and OK. Now you will notice it has the bullets, which are the names. So if I go to my legend, Dr. Smith is this lime green color. So anything with this lime green bullet next to it is Dr. Smith's event. The text on the calendar is color-coded by the labels. So these are set up according to the label colors that I have set up. The name color indicator feature works the same in the web viewer. The only difference is where to locate the View and Default Options tab. To locate this tab in the web viewer, you want to click on the calendar button. It will be displayed as either day, week, month, or planner. This is determined by which view you currently have open on your screen. Mine says day because that is the view that I'm currently viewing. Click on the down arrow and click View and Default Options. From here, you will select Monthly, and from here you can customize the bullet color and the event text color just as we did in the desktop view. I'm going to flip back over to the desktop client. I wanted to point out the name color indicator feature can also be used to enhance your reports. If I click on Print in the desktop client or Reports in the web client, and then Options, you will notice that it now gives me the option of setting up event text color as well as bullets. I currently have the event text set to label color and the bullets set to name color. Let's preview how that appears. You will notice that the bullets are color-coded according to the names, and the text is color-coded according to my event labels that I have set up. I'm going to close that and cancel. I hope you enjoyed learning about the new name color indicator feature that is available in version 12.1 of Office Tracker. Subscribe to our Office Tracker YouTube video channel for more tips on how to use the new features in version 12.1. Happy scheduling!